Hello children, today we are going to start a new supplementary lesson from your 8th standard English book, Crossing the River. This story reveals the myth and belief of God by the milkmaid as she crosses the river to deliver the milk to the Pandit by uttering name of Lord Vishnu. Come, let's enter into the story.
Hello children, today we are going to start a new supplementary from your 8th standard English book, Crossing the River. Let's see about the author. Manoj Das, born on 1934, he is an award-winning Indian author who writes in Odia and English. In 2000, Manoj Das was awarded with Saraswati Saman. He was awarded Padma Shri in 2001, the fourth highest civilian award in India for his contribution in the field of literature and education. Kendra Sahitya Academy has bestowed its highest award, Sahitya Academy Award Fellowship. His deeper quest led him to mysticism and he has been an inmate of Sri Aurobindo Ashram in Puducherry since 1963. Moti was a milkmaid. She supplied milk to a pandit. Here pandit means an expert in a particular subject or field who is frequently called upon to give their opinions to the public. The Pandit was an elegant speaker. Hundreds of people gathered to listen to him. Here, elegant means clearly expressing or indicating something. Moti felt it was a privilege to serve a great Pandit. She crossed the river by the help of a boat and discharged her duty sincerely. One day, Pandit requested her to bring milk before sunrise to perform a ritual for a month. Here, the word ritual means a religious or solemn ceremony consisting of a series of actions performed according to a prescribed order. Moti came late on the next day. The reason was that she was unable to cross the river without a boatman in the early morning. Pandit commanded numerously that one could cross even the ocean of the life by uttering the name of the Lord Vishnu. Pandit told it was a secret. Moti thanked for his secret. The milkmaid succeeded in delivering milk at dawn. Days passed, the Pandit vow came to an end. Pandit thanked the woman and also the boatman. Moti told him that she crossed the river by uttering the Vishnu's name. Pandit didn't believe it and he followed her. Pandit was shocking to see the crossing the river with ease. Moral of the story: while demonstrating the miracle of faith, the story also draws a contrast between scholarship and innocence. It shows the difference between a knowledge that works through one's faith in God. Let's see the glossary of the story. Prostrated, falling flat on the ground as a mark of respect. Eloquent, fluent, expressive. Discourse, discussion, spoken communication. Spellbound, fascinating, captivating. Resolved, firmly determined to do something. Ritual, a religious or solemn ceremony. Enthusiastically, interest, eager enjoyment. Apologetically, shows regretful acknowledgement. Spate, rush, run, flood. Jocularly, humorous, funny. Poise, spiritual, devotedly religious, dedicated. Guffaw, a loud and hearty laugh. Naivety, lack of experience, innocence. Dawn, daybreak, early morning. Intrigued, arouse the curiosity of, fascinate, attract. Obeisance, respect, reverence, honor. Thank you.